And now agents with a new warning, urging people not to shoot down the drones.
Concrete jungle, eyes in the wise, playing chess with the system. Kings in the pyres, under scrutiny, life on the screen, surviving the struggle where cameras gleam. Monitor daily, shadows we be stepping, eyes all around but the soul ain't repping. They see what we do but don't see what we dream. Resilience in the veins, busting at the seam. Wiretaps buzzing, streets got the cold grip, shady eyes peeping, truth in the ghost shit. Voices unheard, still we make a move in the spotlight, but we got groove. Underneath the lenses, live a different story. Broken chains, yet we rise in glory. March through the heat, even when we bleed. Eyes on us, we the new breed.
Requested that drone detection system known as the Robin be sent to New York and New Jersey.
The government knows what is happening. They know where it came from and where it went.
Every corner turn, a new lens clicked. Recording every step, but we ain't tricked. Programmed to suppress, yet we uplift. Coded in the struggle, true to the drift. Wiretaps buzzing, streets got the cold grip. Shady eyes peeping, truth in the ghost shit. Voices unheard, still we make a move in the spotlight, but we got groove. Wiretaps buzzing, streets got the cold grip. Shady eyes peeping, truth in the ghost shit. Voices unheard, still we make a move in the spotlight, but we got groove. Underneath the lenses, live a different story. Broken chains, yet we rise in glory. March through the heat, even when we bleed. Eyes on us, we the new breed. Every corner turn, a new lens clicked. Recording every step, but we ain't tricked. Programmed to suppress, yet we uplift. Coded in the struggle, true to the drift.
The flying objects have been spotted over residential neighborhoods, restricted sites, even near President-elect Donald Trump's home.